Alright, this is NetMaven here. We are going to import and deploy an ISN fabric. With my site 1 and site 2 fabric created and verified as configured, working correctly, the next step is to move them into a multi-site domain, MSD. Multi-site domain. First, I must create a fabric for routers that act as an ISN, inter-site network, providing connectivity between my data center sites. Again, NDFC can fully manage these devices as well as fabric, similar to previous external L3 fabric. As we're normally going to do, we're going to create a fabric called ISN. Create this fabric. Fabric type, we're going to make sure we're going to choose. It's called multi-site external network. AS number 65444. And we're going to deselect monitor mode because we want to actually provision this fabric and save. Click into ISN and go to switch. This time we're going to add this ISN core router switch. Here you go, we find a switch, core router, and add it to it. The type, guess what? We're going to set a role as a core router. We'll do that later. Close this guy, and we're going to set a role to be a core router. Okay. Take action, and we're going to recalculate deploy my core router in the fabric ISN. Set, deploy it, close that. Now take back to overview, close the fabric, we'll go to overview, and we'll go to topology, make sure you check configuration. Here is the fabric all created. Now, back to my fabric, we'll have to configure the multi-site. We'll create the multi-site fabric using multi-site templates in NDFC. Then we import all the 3 fabrics with an easy to use NDFC GUI. We'll pin between the servers in 2 different sites, confirms that multi-site is configured successfully. So we need a multi-site fabric is we're gonna call MSD1. Okay. So take a look closely how we do it. Say MSD1. Choose a fabric. This time the fabric we want to make sure it is VXLAN EVPN multi-site. So what I'm gonna do? This is fabric. Is a multi-site. This ISN is multi-site external network. Okay, so we have these components, these sites. What I have to do is to create a DCI. So DCI parameters specify how to configure the DCI. So we can deploy the multi-site overlay inter-fabric connections. We have to build IFCs. So manually using a route server or directly to a border gateway. So in this the demo, we're going to deploy multi-site over IFC directly to my border gateways in my site 1 and site 2 border gateways, this directory. If you have a router server, that's the other deployment. It's called super spine. We can deploy a router server super spine, but here we use direct connect. Okay, to the border gateway. So I enable automatic deployment of the underlay configuration for IFCs to the core. Also, I will configure the core router. So I do not have to confirm that operation manually. So 3 sites: Greenfield, Site 1, Brownfield, Site 2, and ISN. So under, we'll have to configure DCI. Remember, here, take a look, DCI. DCI in the multi-site overlay IFC deployment method. Here, we want to select the drop down. Which type? Directly to border gateways, no root server. Okay, and we're gonna click multi-site underlay IFC auto deployment flag. Where it is? This here. Click it. Okay, it's gonna be auto deploying the IFCs. Okay, now click save. Now we're gonna move the fabrics. So go to MSD 1. We're gonna take action. We're gonna add. We're gonna go to child fabric. So child fabric, take action here. We're going to move fabric into MSD. So first we'll move Greenfield 1. Select. Okay, next. So easy. Site 2, of course, site 2. Okay, site 2. And click OK. And move another one. ISN. Okay, so in this we'll have the site 1 and site 2, Greenfield, Brownfield, and ISN as the child fabric under MSD1. Okay. All these 3 are child fabric in MSD1. Now, go to the top, take action, recalculate deploy. So take a look.
Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below. Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below.